In this video, we're going to be deriving the formula used to write a quadratic function in Vertex form. So in 1 it says, we know the quadratic function y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c can be written in Vertex form. Y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. This problem derives the formula for h by completing the square on the function y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract c from both sides. So we'll have y minus c is equal to ax squared plus bx. And the next thing they want us to do is divide every term by a. And we're dividing every term by a so that the coefficient in front of the x squared term is 1. So we have y over a minus c over a is equal to x squared plus b over a times x. And now we want to multiply the coefficient of x by 1/2 and square it. And the coefficient in front of x is b over a. So we're going to have b over a times 1/2 squared, which is equal to b over 2a squared, which is equal to b squared over 4a squared. And now we want to add what we found to both sides. So we're going to have y over a minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared is equal to x squared plus b over a x plus b squared over 4a squared. And now we want to factor the right-hand side. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite the left-hand side. So we have y over a minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. And this is equal to, in order to factor the right-hand side, we're going to have x plus, and then what we found by multiplying the coefficient in front of the x times 1/2 goes after the plus. So we have b over 2a squared. And now we want to solve for y. And in order to solve for y, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add c over a and subtract b squared over 4a squared from both sides. So we have y over a is equal to x plus b over 2a squared plus c over a minus b squared over 4a squared. And now I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by a, so I get y is equal to a times x plus b over 2a squared plus c minus b squared over 4a. And now it says, compare the above to the form y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, and it asked, what is the value of h? And h is equal to negative b over 2a. If you look where h is located inside the parentheses, we have positive b over 2a. And if we wanted to write that with a negative inside the parentheses, we could say x minus a negative b over 2a. So h is equal to negative b over 2a. And in 2, it says, in a previous module, we found that the vertex of f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5 to be 3 negative 4. And they want us to evaluate f of 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 5, and this is equal to 3 squared is 9 minus 6 times 3 is 18 plus 5, and this is equal to negative 4. And then it asked, how does the value of f of 3 relate to the y-coordinate of the vertex? And we could say that f of 3 was equal to the y-coordinate of the vertex. So if we want to find the x value of the vertex and we're in the form y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, we could use negative b over 2a to find the x value, and then we can plug that x value into our equation and find the y value for the vertex. And that's all for this video on deriving the formula used to write a quadratic function in vertex form.